Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going much better than it's been going. I'm still kind of dizzy, but I'm better. Okay. Today I want to do a partial unboxing of my AB drills. Y'all know I have recently taken up diamond painting. So I wanted some bling and some sparkle and some excitement on my diamond paintings. Not just the regular drills. The drills are the beads or the little bitty diamonds. So I looked on Amazon and I saw some AB drills. AB is Aurora Borealis. Those are the drills with sparkle and pizzazz. So I got the box. Came with 60 different colors. It's from the Forever Young company. Came in this nice sturdy box. And once again, I've been all up in there. And it was packaged up very nicely. Let me show you. It came with this to put the beads in. And I have put some of them in here already. Came with 60 of these to put the beads in. It came with a sticker sheet to put on top of a label sheet, whatever that is. Came with the color key. So as I transfer the beads from the plastic bags to these little containers, I can put the actual color on here. That's what these stickers are. And these colors are supposed to match up with some kind of beads from other companies. I'm just getting started in this, so I don't really know. DMC. I ain't talking about no Democratic National Convention. Anyway, all right. So it's a nice sturdy case with 60 of these containers. And I filled up some of them, as you can see through there. And let me show you what else is in here. And like I said, these were packaged up very nicely. All these different colors. I wish I could show you the difference between these beads and the ones that come with regular diamond paintings. You ain't gonna be able to see it. The camera ain't gonna pick it up. So, I don't know if you can see the sparkle. Probably not. But it came with 60 of these plastic bags. All different colors, all different shades of blues and greens and purples. And they sparkle. They really, really sparkle. Like on sequin dresses. You know how the sequins just pick up the light. That's where these beads are. But no, you can't see it. The camera ain't picking up. But all different colors. Like I said, some of the colors are in the containers already. There's no end to it, y'all. It's 60. And I've already been using some of them. Let me show you what I've been using it on. This is my latest diamond painting. It's a snowman. I ain't finished. And so I've been using the beads that came with it and using the bling beads. You can pick up the light on this, and I got this plastic cover over. Yeah, you can see this. Let me take the cover off. I did the top half first. Okay, see, can you see that bling? It actually looks like little twinkle lights are on here. Cute, 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 cute. I just find colors that either match perfectly by the color chart number or something real close to it. And I say it matches. So I'm enjoying using these diamond AB drills. And here's the bottom part, and I'm doing a fourth, and then I'll do this side when I'm through with the whole side. Yeah, you can actually see some of the sparkle. I'm liking it a lot. So that makes my diamond painting journey even the more enjoyable. So I want to thank you all. Oh, and I saw some comments that people have trouble sticking these with the regular, you know, the pink wax that comes with the kits. I was having a little trouble. Then I read a comment that somebody said use dental wax. I don't know how many of you all have worn braces, and to keep them braces from rubbing against the inside of your mouth and irritating it, you have to use that wax. That's the kind of wax that I've used, and it works. It works for these AB beads. You can see it. Not on that color. Look at that. But anyway, that's what I've been up to lately. I've been laying low. I've been laying across the bed in the beauty room, just doing my diamond paintings. Oh my goodness, this is really sparkling. Okay. So, let me hold this up for a thumbnail. So it's the Forever Young company. It has the AB drills. That's the proper name. And they don't look like the regular beads. These got some pizzazz to them. So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye.